The sun has got his hat on, hip 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 hooray. The sun has got his... Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. I guess I'm just kind of excited because the monsoon season seems to be finally coming to an end. Now, I know I've been talking about the monsoon season for quite a long time, but I was wrong. What we had before was the rainy season, and just recently, last month or so, we've had the monsoon season. You see, in the rainy season, it really rains a lot. But in the monsoon season, it really rains a lot. And so it's been absolutely impossible to get out and do anything. Almost every day it's been torrential rain, and I wouldn't even want to go outside the front door. So you haven't had any videos for a while, except I've been making a lot of shorts, you know, the YouTube 60-second shorts. So I hope you've been looking at my shorts. No, not that kind. Will someone kindly take my shorts away? Behave, behave. Okay, so the sun is shining. We're at a beach. I saw the sun this morning and I just rushed out. I thought I have to go somewhere. Probably about as close to home as I can be without going to a beach that we've seen before. So I'm about, I guess, 25, 30 minutes north of home at this tiny beach that you can see behind me. It's called Saw. And it probably must be about the tiniest bay or tiniest beach in the whole of Thailand. But it's quite attractive, I think. So what we're going to do next, Bert is parked just over the hill there. There's a hill behind you here. I'm going to go over the top and walk out to the beach that way. And we'll gradually work our way further down the coast until we come to some place we've been to before, and then we can stop. So while I'm doing that, I'll show you a few shots from upstairs. So I'm just going to leave Bert parked there in a little bit of shade, and we'll wander down this pathway here, past this little resort. So I don't think it's private land. And from here I think we can get out onto the beach. Okay, mission accomplished. This is Tong Nod Beach. Actually quite long. I'll pan around in a moment. And you can see there's a whole load of garbage here on the beach, but that's to be expected because we had some pretty big waves and very strong winds washing up all the garbage out of the sea. So I'll just wander down to the rocks at the end and then we'll take a look around the other way. Okay, I think that's quite a nice view. I think there's something special about those rocks because further down they're wrapped in some kind of cloth. They've probably been blessed by a local monk, and the fishermen come here, say a few prayers before they go out to sea. And it's nice and clear today, so in the background you can see that's Koh Samui. And that's probably about 20 kilometers away, so that's a good view today. Right, let's take a look around the other way. It's quite a long beach, as you can see, so we're going to go further down, about halfway down or closer to the bottom, and we'll take a look from there, see what we can find down there. Okay, so we had to come a little ways inland and then turn left up this small road here to get back to the beach. Unfortunately, the concrete bit runs out just around about here. When we get to here, it looks like we've arrived in Jurassic Park, but we haven't. It's a strange tiny resort called Tycoon's Place. It seems to be made up of bamboo huts and converted 20-foot shipping containers. I'm not sure tycoons would want to stay in a place like that. Anyway, so we won't bother to go down there because there's another road just a little ways down here where I'm pretty sure we can reach the beach. Okay, let me grab the camera off the front of Bert and we'll just wander down to the beach there. Well, we've sort of reached the beach, but there's a river in the way. Don't think I want to splash through that. Probably could go down there. Started at the end there, you can see where the rocks are. And we'll pan around. Khanom is still there, still visible. And then in a moment we'll see if we can find a way to get to the bottom of the beach. I know there's a road, but it could be very wet. And if we keep going a bit more down this road, we should come to the very end of the beach, which could be insanely wet, but we'll just check it out and see what it's like. Excuse me. Wait. Now, what are you two doing? Don't just stand there. And the little one. Come on, come on, come on. Move, move, move. Thank you. Right, well, that was worth doing. Pretty nice view. I think we can wander down to the beach from here. Right, so here we are, end of beach. Actually, people here. So we'll just have a quick look back up the beach where we came from. Right at the very end, you can just see the rocks at the end there, I think. And then if we look the other way, there is actually another small bay just around there. You can see the rocks there. Actually see it better from the aerial view. I have no idea if you can get there. I would think only by boats. There's certainly no road goes there. Or maybe at low tide you can walk around the end of the rocks, I'm not sure. Certainly wouldn't want to get stuck down there when the tide comes in. And that's about it, I think. Yeah, we'll just pan around. That's it for today. Somewhere back up there is Bert, so I'll say it's goodbye from Bert and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.